As we journey through the world teeming with constant change and relentless momentum, an old adage appears to have slipped from our collective consciousness. A rolling stone gathers no moss. This saying, rich in metaphorical meaning, reveals a profound truth that often eludes many in our contemporary society. Some counter this argument, insisting that the rolling stone, though devoid of moss, is beautifully polished through its ceaseless motion. Yet beneath this superficial luster, a void of depth and value lurks, becoming visible only through the lens of time and introspection. The proverb of the mossless rolling stone symbolizes the significance of stability, commitment, and groundedness in our endeavors. Here, moss serves as a metaphor for growth, maturity, and depth, qualities nurtured by dedication and focus. Transposed onto the canvas of human life, it hints that those who flit from one pursuit to another, avoiding commitment and stability, may miss out on the richness and depth that come with enduring effort and devotion. However, in our current fast-paced era, chasing novelty and continual movement is often lauded. Individuals leap from job to job, project to project, and relationship to relationship in a ceaseless quest for the next thrill or opportunity. They justify their actions by showcasing their surface-level success, the glossy exterior birthed from constant motion and novel experiences. But this polished facade often conceals a lack of fulfillment and depth. Let's not forget, the suntan can't be bought. As we wrap up this thought-provoking journey, we invite you to engage with us. Like this content, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to the King's Exploits channel. Your support enables us to continue crafting enriching content for the future.